Hey guys, this is Country Boy Riley. I just figured I'd give this information out if somebody wanted a repair manual. Here's your model number, your serial number. That's the information you need to read. And just to show you if you need a booklet to read on. In case your refrigerator has lost one, it should be up in the control box. I'll show you. There's your part numbers. Just anybody who needs the information, I figure I'll put this on there. It's pretty well just a blank canvas. It'll usually be in this board right here, somewhere in these pockets. That's where you'll find it. So thanks for liking, subscribing, and please do all that. Ring your bell. Kind of let you know when's next video post, and it helps me a lot if you hit that subscribe button, share, and like. Share the video as much as you can with your friends and all that stuff. I try to do what I can with YouTube, and I'm not pulling views like I want. So I'll do an upload every once, 3 days maybe. So, or might go to back daily vlogging. But there's your manuals if you need some for your refrigerator. I figured nobody's got one on YouTube that I've seen. So. Here's your diagram. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.